Now it is time for the women's 4x400 meter. Oh wow, lad. 400 meter final. So, what's this? Daniel got the bronze medal in the 100 hurdles. Alright, Brown, shave up your arm and beer things can you come on TV. Okay. Kyle Muick. No, the girl that sound like she crazy, like she'll go back her ex yard and just burn down him house. Like, yeah man, Ukraine. No man. Alright, what next now? You sell them fancy fandangles here? Alright, Francis. Yeah man, muscle up and beer things. I use some muscle wine. You look like one girl named Samantha. And like you read like a poetry and name somebody. You know, spoken word. Oh wow, Malibu Barbie. What am I saying? Noah Clark. Okay, alright. Okay, Clark. Alright. Okay, Clark. Yeah, jump up and down. Okay, don't frown. Whoa! A long time Leroy running up. Come through Leroy. Oh gosh, yes. With a little short ear and beer things, a little curl and a little gel and a little baby ear and a little something. Alright, this is the part of my really business. You know when you watch race, you only want to see Jamaica, and then after they mention Jamaica, you just stay there look around and you know really, yeah, come even a fat pan them in the business, Jamaica name don't call already. This is the part where you just, you don't really care. Move this down a little bit. Yeah man, you don't really care. Alright, just have one. We just wait until the race starts, guys. You don't really affect the price, alright. Right now, we are talking about Jamaica. Wait, they're not done yet. Whoa. Alright, so JPS lock off the light now. Yeah man, everything ready now. Oh, okay. Ultrasound beer things. Oh no, yes. Look on the pit tile stadium. It's so light up now. Yep. Alright, okay, we'll see it. Okay, alright. Christmas pepper light on beer things. Brown pretty, you know. She pretty. She looks shy. But look like she have one like a crazy side. They can't see it. Alright, come on, must get medal. I kind of want the gold medal still, but you know how USA team kind of set. So when I 4x4, I kind of humble myself and kind of understand how USA structure kind of set up. I just want a medal. Gold, if the opportunity presents itself, but you know. Alright, come in good with the shot here. Alright. Leroy, make sure you give one good start, you know. Yes. Come in Jamaica, man. Box foot after all. Yeah, man. I can't even cuss too fast because you know it's a 400 meters, so it take a little while for them run round. Come in, Leroy. Alright. Pace yourself because you know how the strippings go. No matter kill out the energy on the first 100. Take off the video light off of Shima. No one say good body, Leroy. Come on, man. Come in, Anna. Yeah, man. Pace yourself, Anna. No, we're not frightened for nothing. We're not frightened for the medal. We're used to this. Compose yourself, yeah, man. Alright, lock it in now. Come up now. Make your movements now. We'll have to hand over like first or second. Come in, Leroy. Yeah, man, Leroy. Leroy, come in, man. Alright. Okay, we never do bad at all. I know like second or third. Not bad at all. Alright, come in, Jamaica, man. Come in. We have to go start, you know. Wait, I know them come over in the other lane now. Yeah. Same thing. See there one. Alright. We're Jamaica, we have to move up, man. Hey. Come on, man. Come in, man, girl, man. Come on, man. You can't make Malibu Barbie there either, man. Come on, man. United States, we know about, yeah, we need for jumping at the medal running, man. Come in, man. We know, yeah. Jamaican girl, man. Come on, man. Run like say here, say I gotta go take away, man. Come in, man. Come in. Second leg, man. Come in, man. We have to go 5 feet, man. Alright. Come in on. Stephenie, you know say you have to put in some work, you know. You know the strips. Put in your work, man, Steph. Bomba that girl, then put on in Jesus Christ. The world record all that. Damn. Come in, man, Stephenie McPherson, man. Come on, man. Pace yourself and pass them, girl. Come in, man, Jamaica with Stephenie. Come in, man. Yes, Stephenie, man. We know the leg never, you know, good, but we know you have to fight and move you up. Come in, man. A medal we are defending, no, man. Come in, man. Yes, Stephie, fight. Fight and come through, Steph. Yes, man. Alright, come don't know say America go winning, no, man. But we are fight for a medal now. Come in, Shericka. Shericka Jackson, all you mean? You're not left without more than 3 medals. Come in, man. You collect your bronze already. You collect your gold for the 4x1. And now 4x4. Pace yourself, Shericka. Hey. I want Angelica Barbie I go. Angelica Dali I go. Angelica Dali I go. Shericka, you tired? I saw it go, but understand. We get our brands. We not complain. Max put me on pop off me something there. I not go see Shericka. I understand where you almost get the silver. But at the second leg there, you know, the second leg never too strong strappies. But I just saw it going on, man. I saw it go up on the team. I got like a medal already. We do good. But if not cause the Poland them, like I just what could I get the silver? What could I get the silver, you know, man? But you know, I just wanted to leg them never too strong. So I just that kind of do the little strappings. But big up yourself, Shericka, same way. Because I really didn't know say a gold. Not gold, but I didn't know say a silver. I know she probably vexed. But I saw it because Shericka not feeling away. You do your best. Yeah. Not feel. Yeah, man. Stephenie and McPherson do a great Yeah, man. Stephie put in one piece of run the pan fair leg, and then Shericka do her thing. We don't feel no way. We don't feel no way at all. Big up yourself, man. We're gonna get bigger and better. I just saw it go. Yeah, the Polish squad, they never do bad at all. Watch Stephie, watch her, yeah. Yes, James, pass over the back now, man. Yeah, man, and watch good Stephie come in, man. Watch her face, I do the maths now. Yeah, man, Stephenie McPherson put in some work. Watch her. I just love seeing her running. She remind me of Alice Felix. She just have one calm composure and fight for man. Yeah, man, Stephie. Yeah, man, I'm putting in some medal contention because before we never in there. The United States were away, but this is when Jamaica really came into their own. Yeah, man, Jamaica will come in, man. Coming past the 2 athletes there from Poland and Great Britain, and the United States last leg runner. Well, that is it, people. When you think about this this race, I'm glad for the brands. But all this I say now is that when we have the Olympics next year in Tokyo, we just know so we just switch around the 4x4 thing, and we can match out who I gonna put in the best position if we can probably take the goal. Because I feel so Jamaica we can do it, you know. We just need some more depth in the 4x4, but we have it. I'm glad for the brands medal. Big up. I can't believe my pop off, man. I can't believe it, man. The damn pad cover now pop off the box foot. Look at that. I don't know what I'm going to do. Watch out. I give up. Anybody want to give me a pad cover? I need a pad cover. Can you give me a pad cover so we can have a new pad cover? Because this just kind of messed up now. Somebody, please. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me the like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the usual strips. And the next time you see me, it will be the men's 4x4 relay. Yeah?